guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video, I am going to make gnocchi soup. Soup number 2. We're on our second soup, guys. Our 25. I don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way to 25. 25 days of soup challenge. So soup number 2. So for today's soup will be gnocchi, but this is not your ordinary gnocchi or gnocchi soup, because I am going to make my own gnocchi. If you remember my other video when I made the gnocchi, I think meatballs and mushrooms, something like that. That's a store-bought gnocchi, and this one I'm going to make my gnocchi from scratch, which is from boiled potato, and then we're going to mash it, and I'm going to add flour. It's supposed to be just flour. I don't know if they put eggs on that on the store-bought gnocchi, but I'm not putting eggs, so I'm just going to put flour, and I'm going to experiment. That's why I said it's not your ordinary gnocchi, because I'm going to try to put the sweet rice flour. This one, it's the glutinous rice flour, so it's gonna be chewy and soft and delicious. I already know it will be delicious. So I have a lot of ingredients over here, and I'll show you guys our ingredients for our gnocchi soup, not your ordinary gnocchi soup. First, we have boiled chicken breast. I boiled this already, and that's the broth. That's about 2 cups of chicken broth, and I just cut the chicken small slice, bite size, and then half and half. This is a cup and a half, and then I'm going to mash the boiled potato. This is Yukon Gold, and like what I said, I'm going to put flour and the glutinous flour, carrots, baby spinach, butter, and the flour for our roux. And then I have onion powder, chicken bouillon powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And the first thing I'm going to do is make our gnocchi from scratch. And I'm also going to season this. So our gnocchi already have flavor. Lots of garlic powder, this is the onion powder. We'll mash it. Okay, it's all mashed. Then I'm going to add flour. And the sweet rice flour, glutinous rice. So now we have to use our hand to form this. So we have to put some flour here. It's like you're making dough. Okay, now that it's the right shape, I'm going to just cut it like this size, and then we're going to flatten it with using the fork. If it is too big, we'll make it smaller. You can even put both sides. If you want it to look perfect, you can shapen the edge like this. See? So guys, I'm just going to finish making our gnocchi, and then we are ready to cook our gnocchi soup. Last batch, guys. So let's start making our gnocchi soup because I'm hungry. As usual, I'm hungry. Butter, guys. 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and then the flour. And then the cream. And then the chicken broth. We're going to season this, guys. And I need to be careful with the salt because I put salt when I boil the chicken. Chicken bouillon powder, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, salt, and for my gnocchi this time, guys, because it's from scratch, I don't need to boil it the way how I boiled the store-bought gnocchi before. So I'm just going to put the gnocchi straight to our sauce. Then I'm going to put the chicken. I'm gonna wait for it to boil. Then we're gonna put everything. The gnocchi, the carrots, and the spinach. And it's already boiling. I'll put the gnocchi first. Very creamy. Oh, I don't know if I have Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to wait this, guys, to boil for a few minutes, and it is done. finished gnocchi. It is so creamy, guys. Look at that. And I wish I have Parmesan cheese, but I do not have. Let me see what kind of cheese I have. I have mozzarella. Let's try that. Hey, doesn't matter what kind of cheese, right? As long as you have cheese. And I'm happy with our gnocchi, guys. Let's try it. It's still so hot. Let us try our gnocchi. Gnocchi that I made from scratch. Gnocchi soup. This is gnocchi soup, and the one I made is gnocchi. So, thank goodness I have mozzarella. First bite of our soup number 2. Soup number 2, guys. I'm excited to try it. I needed a little salt, but other than that, it's okay. It's okay. It's just okay. But I like the flavor of the gnocchi. It's good thing I also season the gnocchi when I'm making it, because when I chew it, I can taste that there's flavor on the gnocchi. See how beautiful the shape. It didn't fall apart. Next time I make this, I will use chicken thighs, and then I'll add a little bit more glutinous rice flour on our gnocchi. One last bite, guys, of our soup number 2. I have to say bye, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell, guys, so you get notified when I have a new video. And please click that thumbs up button or the like button, and I will see you guys again on our next video with soup number 3. What would it be? Please give me suggestion. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now.